My mummy is a train driver, keeping everyone safe and sound. From the comfort of her cab, she'll be driving all year round. My mummy is a train driver, and the views are quite a thing. Sometimes she greets the rising sun on a beautiful morning in spring.
First of all, thank you all very, very much for attending today. It is lovely to see so many of you. We have some very important people here today, and they are our special guests from Graiseley Primary School.
I've been a train driver for 20 years now.
Who thinks anybody can be a train driver? That's better. I can see lots of hands for that. Worked very closely with some train drivers, but realised actually there weren't many women doing it. So when the opportunity came up, I thought, yeah, okay, why not? I'll have a go at that.
My mummy is a train driver, but when she's not on shift, we spend some quality time together, and that's her greatest gift.